Papita masiku awiri atatu chisankhidwireni olemekezeka a Jomo Osman kukhala mfumu ya mzinda wa Blantyre kapena kuti mayor of the city of Blantyre. Ndi anthu ambiri akhala akumalankhula monyoza kunena kuti zatheka bwanji kuti kapena kuti a Jomo Osman mzinda wa Blantyre auyendetsa motani chifukwa kuti iwowa zimamveka kuti sukulu yawo sadapite nayo patali. Ndi a Jomo Osman akuyankha pano okha kunena kuti inde ndi zoona kuti sukulu sanapite nayo patali, koma nzeru sizimachokera ku sukulu kokha. Anthu ena ali ndi nzeru komanso kuthekera komayendetsa zinthu ngati mizinda yathu kuno ku Malawi. Chimene chimafunika ndizokuti munthuyo adzikhala ndi chilakolako chofuna kuphunzira komanso azizikhulupirira pa iye yekha kuti akhoza kukwanitsa despite not having formal education. Tiyeni limodzi tamvera Jomo Osman kuti bwanji ndipo akamaliza timati mutiuze Malawi maganizo anu in the comment section below pompano pa Nyasa voice box.
Ndafunanso kuti ndonjezere chifukwa there are some people here they are saying that Jomo, you don't know how to lead, you don't know how to speak English. Let me tell you, of course I grew up from the street, but that does not mean that I can't go further learning new things in life. In the final look sharp, I want to tell you that whatever I do, I thank God for everything that I have or what I do, and I believe in myself and I believe in learning. Going to school does not mean you know everything, being in the class. No. It's true, I grew up from the street. I never go to any primary school, but you don't know what I do day by day, because I know that one day I'm going to wish to become someone else and I need to prepare myself. So I try my best to prepare myself. If you thought that I don't read or speak English, you are lying, because you don't know what I'm capable of. I am a wise guy, a guy who always have time to interact with anyone else. I don't do things just because I'm doing it. I do things with a passion. And wherever we have, or the position that we have, is nothing but loyalty and relationship and humanity. It's very important in everything that we do. Some of you, you're going to be educated because you have that lucky. You have all the support. That's why you are educated. Some of us, we didn't have that opportunity just because the way we growing up. Yeah, from the street, yes, but being from the street does not stop us to go for any position. That's not fair. We are all human beings. If I'm capable to stand, I can stand. If I'm capable to be anywhere, I can be anywhere. So let's stop this nonsense. We are all human beings. We can't come out and say that, hey, I have these papers, or I was doing education, I was learning, or I was doing what. But I, Jomo, I prepare myself more than you. Some of you went to school, but to compare with me, you find me, I'm more amazing, more than you. Just going to school alone does not make you to be the better leaders. No. So we need to stop this nonsense. We need to know that everyone is a human being. Everyone has his own potential in life. And I thank God for everything. And I thank you for the encouragement. There's a lot of people who are supporting me. There's a lot of people who believe in me. Let God be God. Let's go on the ground and campaign. If people don't like me, I'll accept that I lost. Let people judge, not de-campaigning each other. This is not fair. May Allah bless you and give you a long life. Thank you.